Ngibonga kakhulu mholi, ngibonga kakhulu leader. Kwenye ama-videos engawenza mholi, ngikhuluma nge-conscious bias ne-unconscious bias. Ukuthi khona abanye bethu abenza umonakalo bazi kahle behloseni and sebenze kanjani, which is conscious bias. And the unconscious bias, abanye bethu nje bayithola sebehukeka ey'ntweni zama-factions because akaze sihlale phansi siyi-analyzele thina our own biases to know where is the objective point that we must move to. So why I'm saying this to you now is because ngifuna kube clear kuwena, sometimes ama-advices lawa acelayo they won't work ngoba abanye abantu suke bazivele benzani. Umuntu ohlose ukuganga kho-advice ongamnikeza yona ayeke ukuganga, ikakhulukazi uma belokho ukuganga kuzobenefitha yena. So we can give any best advice, the Jesus kind of advice. But if it is dropped to a person with deliberate intentions, which is conscious bias, those advices would be useless. Sidinga thina futhi sikwazi uba-identify abantu who are making harm deliberately. Uyabona, you have touched a very important point right now. Also my business baka-ANC. You know, also my business by ANC are not also my business anyways. They are just what we call political entrepreneurs. Abantu abenza imali noma inzuzo ngokwezepolitiki. That should be clear. So they have a lot of conscious bias because inhloso yabo ukuthola imali and they will do anything possible to get to money through political connection. So those people ngeke uziba-advise beshintshe ingqondo. And why I'm saying it's important, it's because most of them, they have seen now ANC is collapsing and is going down. Now what they're doing, they're trying now to quickly colonize EMKP as a new business platform for them. And in the ANC, how they used to do this thing, they used to find different factions so that they are safe. If a person on the left succeeds, their business is secured. If the person on the right succeeds, their business is secured. They colonize. And I want to tell you, I know serious RET members, esasiwasivuka now support umsholozi, but the business interest forced them to change and start speaking against umsholozi. And they admitted to us, boss, qhamuka ama-communities esiqhamuka kuwona ukuthi, hey comrade, hey ayikho into engangayenza mina phela ukube ngaqhubeka ngase ngibona vele uzuma kuyaphela ngayo kube ngaqhubeka into yethu i-RT amabhizinisi ami ayizoma. And niyazi ma-comrade, mina ngiphila ngamabhizinisi kuphela, angisebenzi, ningcono nina niyasebenza. That level of honesty kodwa oyibonayo ukuthi no siyalimala la. So wabhekeni-ke maqabane, babhekeni labo somabhizinisi abasuka ku-ANC already sebenza ne-culture nama-tendencies are divisive, are manipulative, and they can buy members to speak against their own consciousness. So that's why I'm saying you're making a very important point, FSE card. Not only the political entrepreneurs are a problem, even some of the members who are coming from the ANC, we welcome them and they must come in numbers. Umkhonto Wesizwe is their home as well. But my worry is that we don't take them through any orientation or rigorous process of integration where they're made aware about the tendencies aka-ANC wona ayibona kuyi-genuine politics esingawafuni la emkhontweni, where they are made aware about the code of conduct, the mission, the objectives of Umkhonto Wesizwe. Because they just come in and we expect that now because they are saying Umkhonto Wesizwe, they'll change attitude. The attitude won't change unless they've been taken through a rigorous process of orientation and integration. But how can that process happen if not ourselves emkhontweni singakayi-define? Have we defined our values? Have we defined the code of conduct expected of a member yomkhonto wesizwe? We have not done that. We have left it to the people's common sense to say, yeah, ngumkhonto my friend behave kanje. Listen, ukuba loyal ku-radical economic transformation does not automatically make you a propagator of umkhonto wesizwe. You need to be taken through a rigorous process where you have to understand the objective, the mission, and the code of conduct expected or befitting of someone who's calling himself or herself umkhonto wesizwe. We are not trying to create the ANC outside of the ANC with umkhonto wesizwe. We're trying to bring a new cater, a new value, a new culture that will start to correct all the mistakes that we made in the ANC. But there's no proper orientation for all of us to understand this. And I'm not blaming anybody for that. I'm simply saying there's a gap that we still need to close. If we don't close it, it's going to hit us. kwaKhongolose safunda ipolitiki yokukhohlisa abantu, ukubathembisa into esazi kahle ukuthi azikho, mase sihlule kuyigcina sibuye sibakhohlise besithembe futhi besivotele. Safunda ipolitiki kwaKhongolose yokuntshontsha ungabanjwa. Safunda ipolitiki yo-avoid ama-questions azosenza si-account ngomonakalo esiwenzile. Safunda ipolitiki yokuxhasa labo abasifaka imibuzo esingayithandi, sibakhiphe baphume bephele eqenjini. Safunda ipolitiki yokungcolisa, ngisho ingane yabantu eyafunda kanzima ukuthi ube yi-chartered accountant noma umeli, sifunze ubugebengu isizibenze naye besigebengu njengathi. KwaKhongolose safunda ipolitiki yokuthi wenza kanjani ukuthi umphakathi ukuthembe noma ngabe usuwone kangaki phambi kwawo. Safunda ipolitiki yokuthi wenza kanjani ukuthi uma ukhuluma kuzwakala khona ozoyenza ube ungeza ukuyenza. Uyikhanda kanjani i-report ethi umsebenzi wenzakalile ungenzekanga, uphinde futhi ungalandeleleki ngaleyo report uthi uthe wena uzokwenza ukuthi wathi ukwenzile naye i-report kuphi. So kwaKhongolose safunda ipolitiki yama-tricks, ngoba uKhongolose uqobo layo is a failed project. Kwakuyi-project yokuliberate abantu abamnyama. Khona lo liberation izovela njenge-transformation ezobe i-development. Kodwa sase siba-liberating njengoba savota, sase sihluleka ukudlulela esigabeni se-transformation. Lapha sefekwe lasishintsha okufeka ushintshwe khona kuzosuka ingcindezi abantu abamnyama, uphinde futhi kungene lentuthuko kubantu abamnyama nabo bekhona abakuhlomulayo ngezwe labo. Asikwazi-ke maqabana uthatha lowo politiki kwaKhongolose ebolise izwe, kwabola iy'kole, kwabola amaklinikhi, kwabola police station, kwabola social development, kwaphela imisebenzi, kwakuyi-economy, kwabola amalokishi, kwabola amadolobha, kwavalwa iy'mboni. Asikwazi ukuthatha lowo politiki sizoyipractice ngapha emkhontweni. Kufela emkhontweni sifunde ukwethembeka, sifunde ukwenza izethembiso esaziyo sokwazi ukuyifeza, sifunde ukuphumela obala ngehlulekile ukwenza sibeke izathu, sifunde futhi ukuthi uma oyedwa wethu egangile simdlulisele kwabamthethwa ngokushesha, aboshwe ajeze ngezinto zakhe, phela igebengu ngokuyiqeda. Nangapha emkhontweni izoba khona. Kodwa-ke sokwenza njalo njengomkhonto thina ukuthi lezo yigebengu bengamenywanga yithina sobe ziyizele, siyaboshwa. Ngoba ngeke phela sithi la emkhontweni ngoba phela sigebengu sobe siqamba amanga kaKhongolose. Yizoba khona igebengu emkhontweni. Kodwa umbuzo uthi lizozenzani imkhonto? Ngithi mina sigebengu asiyejele ngokushesha. Futhi asingasapota. Asambe siyobhekana nokuntshontsha kwaso njengomkhonto siqhele kusona, ngoba ngeke sikwazi ukuphinda ipolitiki yaKhongolose ngiyaphambili. Kuyomele sifunde la emkhontweni ukuthi bumbana kwabantu abamnyama kusemqoka ngendlela eyisimanga. Sesifunde ukucinga abantu abanamakhono okuphatha, ukulawula iy'khungo zahulumeni khona ezokhiqiza imikhiqizo edingakalayo nedinga abantu emphakathini. Kufela uthole umuntu onekhono okhombisa ukuthi ikhona akanalo uyehluleka, akakhishwe, uma engahluleka yena uyihoxela. Sifake umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi asebenzele umphakathi ngendlela enempumelelo. La emkhontweni sesifunde ukuhlonipha abantu abangama-professionals. Abameli abayeke benze imisebenzi yabo. Onesi, ama-chartered accountant awayeke enze umsebenzi wayo. Ama-administrators, laba akuthiwa abazifundiswe ey'phatha ikhungo kahulumeni, abangaphazanyiswa emsebenzini wabo. Asiwavumele ama-report akhuluma iqiniso. La siphumelele khona, nalahluleke khona, abe ney'fundo zokuthi senze njani ukuya phambili ukwenza kangcono. La emkhontweni kuyomele senze sure ukuthi ama-leaders esiwakhethayo azosiza usibumbane, silalele imiphakathi, sisebenzisane nemphakathi, kube ne-development kulelizwe. Hhayi le politiki yamangamanga okuntshontsha nokwesekana noma ngabe somuntu esebhedile. Ngaphezu kokushoda kwama-resources okusebenza on the ground, iy'nkinga ey'ningi zethu zomkhonto ziqhamuka kule nto yama-faction. And wona la ma-faction adalwa ukuthi wonke umuntu ufuna uba umholi. Nakho lokho futhi kudalwa indlala. Wonke umuntu ubona ukuthi uma ebamba isikhundlane esithize emkhontweni uzokwazi ukuthenga ukuy'philisa naye adla aphile njengawonke umuntu. Kodwa ayovula ukusho ukuthi-ke on top of inkinga yokungabi nama-resources okusebenza on the ground, inkinga yethu enkulu emkhontweni ukuthi wonke umuntu njengamanje uba umholi khona ezokwazi ukusakaza aphile. Kodwa-ke manje lokho kudala ukuthi umkhonto ungasebenzeki. Ngakho siyadinga abafowethu ukuthola icebo lokuphuca amandla abantu bama-factions. Abantu bama-factions first baphuca amandla ngoba basilimaza. Abantu aba-committed kakhulu kwi-power for access to resources, to the point that they don't care ukuthi kwenzakalani ngomkhonto, for as long as bona nje fike bethola amandla. Uma ungawatholi ngomkhonto lowo ungafa. Babheva ncamashi yonke Ramaphosa ekhipha uZuma, naye wathi ANC yayimanife unokuba ungafakwa yena emandleni, thuma mina at all cost. So kunabantu njengamanje esiphaqa isixuku Ramaphosa nabo kodwa babheva ncamashi yonke Ramaphosa. They want power at all cost, and ungamane kufa umkhonto unokuba bona bengawatholi amandla abafunayo. So bathi nikeza amandla, otherwise umkhonto uyawubulala, ngiyaqeda ngawo. Exactly it Ramaphosa type of behavior. Kodwa sigqokela ama-t-shirt afanayo omkhonto nabo bagxeka uRamaphosa njengathi, kodwa futhi bona babheva njengaye. So siyadinga-ke thola icebo elikahle lokubaphuca amandla, ngoba masingabaphuca amandla umkhonto uyohlezi usenkingeni. Ngeke alunge, ngeke aphele ama-dispute. In every elective process bayo-contesta all elective outcomes simply because ama-elective outcomes awafavor. You see, eBhayibhelini kukhulunywa ngomunye umama owakhetha ingane yakhe imane ayithathe lo munye othe yakhe naye unokuba izidatshulwe phakathi. Awukwazi ukuthi wena uthi ukhathalela umkhonto wena uyixabane proper and ukhona umzila othi wena ugadile, kodwa futhi wena uthi umkhonto ngamanufe unokuba ungasithola isikhundla. No. You're not proper yourself. If too proper, ungamane uthi hayi bafethu manje isithathe isikhundla unokuba kufe ini umbutho. So kubona kanjalo uthi proper. Futhi kwenza lokho buchaza khona. Ungakwenzi kanti uyasifuna ustedelile, emva kwaloko sudala ichaos lo sengenile ngoba wadedela vele isikhundla ungafuna usitedela. Hayi ngoba ngempela ufuna uprotect umkhonto kodwa uzama ubukeka sangathi wexabane proper. Cha. Mabe ungale xabane proper, qhubeka ulwela ukuthi uvotelwe sikubona into nawe. Ungamane ufa umkhonto nokuba lo angangena emandleni. Yike Ramaphosa ke le. Finanselo Ramaphosa. Owathi ngamane kufa ANC, wafa ANC futhi ngempela. Ngoba nje elo lungena emandleni ekhipha umsholozi. So siyayibona lo behavior nawe abanye benu maqabane, and siyayibuza ukuthi hey, le nto ube proper ngempela, ube ngempela lithanda umkhonto ngale ndlela. Lithanda ivision ngababa uNxamalala, as people say, ngale ndlela asho ngayo. Wayengasedela isikhundla khona kungezoba na faction. At least siphushe lo yedwa ke. Ngisho ngokuthi uma kunesizathu ize kungcono kuphela siyobona senze njani ngayo, kodwa at least imbutho ubungahlekizekile. Why? So ngiyapropose ukuthi mina maqabane la kulama fashion khona ngeke apply lokho ozokubiza ukuthi i-tactical blind consciousness, ngoba la noma factions mase bewakhela factions zabo sebe expecta nathi ke seceleni lamanje ukuthi asingene sithoe line along the lines of their factions. If singune faction ya left na right, laba baka right ba expect ukuthi ungawahleka ama-jokes aqhamuka ka left, nabaka left ba expect ukuthi ungawahleka ama-jokes aqhamuka ka right. So uthi usucomplya wena nama-factional standards. As apply i-tactical blind consciousness osukuthini ungawa-recognize lama-factions. Vele nje ube neutral. Uma kukhuluma umuntu wena into ihlekisa ihleke, mayevubothi uyavumelana nayo uvumelana nayo, mawuthi uyayiphikisa ube consistent ekutheni nje wena udila ne-matter as it is. Hayi ukuthi mangivumela usibani bani, hayi nosibani nobosa nge-faction kalo, cha singangeni. Why sibiza nge-tactical blind consciousness? It's because it's not that you're not aware ukuthi kunama-factions futhi ahleleke kanjani. Ubani uleader le-faction ulandelwa ubani. Usuke wazi, which means you are conscious. But tactical blind consciousness means tactically ngobuchule wena uzoziphatha as if awazi khona ama-factions futhi ubani okiphi i-faction, uzotshelwa ukuthi ikuphi oku-right ikuphi oku-wrong regardless ukuthi kulethwe ubani kwenziwe ubani, up until abantu beze befunde ukuthi asiyingene ama-factions and asiyoyingena. Ngoba uma siyingena sibanika amandla amakhulu okubulala umkhonto, ngoba nathi hey sengiyasaba uvumelana nobani usibani bani uzobona sengathi nami ngi-faction yakhe. Ugcina ngampela usudlala i-idling politics, uduma ndawonye because you are scared of factionalist. No. If umuntu othize beka iphonto uvumelana nayo, ivume phambi kwakhe lo phikisana naye. Ungabunayo indaba futhi ukuthi uzothini. Ngele ilanga yokuza naye sivumelana naye futhi. Baqala bathi hayi Sibani ngathi uyixoxe. Bawazi bejwayela ukuthi hayi Sibani kahle kahle uyazi ukuthi kunale faction against le group le. Kodwa akayingeni ngoba uyamthola uvumelana laba. Ngele ilanga umuntu osevumelana laba. Ilanga umuntu osevumelana laba. Kodwa ucontrolwa yini? Ikuphi oku-right ngaleso sikhathi. Ukuthi ubani okhulumile into enganandaba nawo leyo. Ngoba laba bagcina ngampela sebengama-ring leaders ethu begovuza ipolitiki ama-faction nathi thiwe sesingodobolela ama-factions. We can't allow that, comrades. Asihlale thina kumhlahlandlela o-right, asibe objective. Lo uvumelana namhlanje akajabule cabanga i-faction yakhe mthomathaze ngeli ilanga usuvukelana ne-opposition yakhe up until bebeka phansi amathuluzi e-factionalism. Asikhulume iqiniso, akuthina sonke esithanda ama-good leaders ne-good leadership. Noma ngabe masikhuluma sonke ungasithola sengathi sonke we are committed to good leaders and good leadership. Abanye bethu bayabenefita kwi-chaos elethwa ama-leaders are-incompetent, are-corrupt na-immoral. Why ngikubona kusemqoka ukuthi siyikhulume lento futhi siyipay attention kuyona? Ingoba labo bantu abeve be-influential, labantu laba bathanda ama-leaders are-incompetent. Because isikhathi esiningi abantu abanamandla athize already in a form of imali or in a form of political alliances. They don't want a good leader. Even in a workspace, they will not like a good manager, because a good manager will always make sure when it's time to work, people work. When it's time to monitor performance, the good leader will definitely manage performance. When it's time to speak about poor performance, a good manager will talk about poor performance. When it's time for people to account for resources, a good leader will make sure people account for each and every cent. That's why ama-good leaders engathandwa, and that's why ama-good leaders ayohleze ephokwa ukulandela abantu aba-immoral, aba-incompetent, abangenama-values. Because somebody influential unama-benefits awatholayo when an incompetent, immoral, bad leader is creating chaos. Kukhona abethu ababenefitayo from chaos. So ukuletha good leader will stop that chaos. In that way nama-benefits abo beseyama. Ngiyakubona lokho kakhulu bafowethu futhi kade ngangubona ukuthi kuyinto ekhona. Nina-ke bafowethu enibhilivela ama-good leaders, you must learn to fight for good leaders to take space. That's why we people's mandate, kuna point, I think it's point 6, mangikhumbula kahle, 18, claiming our spaces. We must claim the space ngoba if we don't do that, siyoqhubeka siyokhuphayo ama-bad leaders afakwa abantu aba-benefitayo from chaos ushered in by the bad leaders. Ngithi angikusho-ke lokho ngoba abantu nje i-nature of politics yabo, uma ungathatha abakushoyo, you'll think they are good people with good intention, while in actual fact they are bad people with bad intention. So if unomkhuba u-appoint abantu wazi kahle ba-incompetent, abana-experience, abanama-values, they get involved ey'ntweni ezi-immoral, yourself you are a bad person. Ngoba une-interest in people who are incompetent, who don't do right, and who fostered chaos, and when you actually benefit from that chaos. So uma qhamuka umuntu ezokhambeni lomuntu othize, be aware ukuthi not all of us are committed to good leaders, good moral values, and competence. Some of us are literally not committed to good leadership and good leaders, and will always make sure which bad leaders, incompetent leaders with high immorality, ibona bangena ey'khundleni zokuhola ngoba we always benefit from the chaos. So-ke ngoba olalela ngendlebe ulalela ngengqondo. Uma umuntu epromote umuntu othize kumbe ethi asifake umuntu othize ubuke ukuthi yini la efihlile ayibona i-interest yakhe ukuthi lo muntu mayengena uzoyibenefita. Ngake ngakhuluma ngani nge-conscious bias and unconscious bias. So-ke abantu bakithi noma blank check now. Ake sizame manje ukuscrutinize i-quality yomholi obekwayo ukuzihola. Sikhathele ukudayiswa abantu. Either culturally, politically, developmentally, we need now to make sure that the quality of the leader that we are giving is proper. And first year uphiwa manje ama-leaders. Sefese ikhethele thina ngoba hayi silinyazeke kakhulu.